Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today is yet another video talking about project management. I have been covering various aspects of project management and hope you are liking it. I request you to subscribe my channel, spread the videos to your colleagues, to your friends, to your contacts so that the knowledge gets spread, and that's the only mission of this channel. Project management is an integral part of nation building, and it's very important that we all project managers come together to deliver the project effectively and efficiently. Today I am covering yet another topic, and here I am covering 5 practical strategies for project managers. As I said, 5 practical strategies for project managers, and these are important strategies which will help all the project managers to learn and to handle their projects effectively. The first strategy is important, and that's related to communication. Communication is very, very important on project. It is said that 90% of the time, project manager must spend his time on communication. He should develop the ability to communicate. And a very important aspect, of a leadership also. Leader is always a good communicator. Project manager is a project leader, and he must be able to communicate to each and every stakeholder precisely, concisely, and he must be able to convey the message to the other side in an appropriate manner. The first job of a project manager is to set up the communication process, the communication matrix, the communication medium, because this is very, very critical for the project. The important aspect of developing communication strategy is to ensure that the right communication is given to the right person at right point of time, and this is very, very important. We can choose the medium of the communications, we can choose the flow of communication, the matrix, but important aspect here is the right communication must go to the right person at right point of time. So this is the first strategy which project manager must implement when he gets on the board for any project, any new project he is going to handle. The second strategy is all about how to manage changes, because changes are going to come on the projects. On any project, there will be some changes. It is important that how do we manage these changes. So changes are inevitable to any project. Important, how do we manage these changes? And for that, a process needs to be initiated. A strategy needs to be made at the start of the project, that how I am going to manage changes on the project. So this is second strategy. The third strategy is focusing on triple constraints. You must be aware of the triple constraint, the constraint of cost, the constraint of scope, and constraint on the time are called triple constraint, and the center of attraction here is the quality. So there has to be a proper balance between three. If you try to put more focus on cost, the other two might get affected. If you try to do more focus on time, again the other two will be affected. So it has to be managed closely, it has to be focused closely, so that there is no imbalance between these triple constraints. Any imbalance will have huge impact on a project. So as a project manager, the strategy has to be focusing on these triple constraints. The fourth one is important. As always I said, the art side of project management is very, very important than the science part of the project management. So fourth strategy, as a project manager, he has to be a cheerleader and keep things positive. Projects will go through a lot of challenges, a lot of problems, and that's why a leadership comes into picture. The job of the project manager is to become cheerleader, keep things positive, so that the team becomes positive, the team works for the project in positive manner. And as a leader, you have to be cool and calm under pressure. It helps in boosting the morale of the people, because we need team members to give their 100% and to focus on what they do best. Job of the project manager is to integrate, but if things are negative at team members level, I think morale will go down. Hence, the strategy has to be a cheerleader, and keeping things positive all the times. The fifth and important strategy is recognizing achievements. And I feel this is very, very important. In projects, as I said, we have to keep the emotional bank full of praising those who are giving, their best, doing the good job on the project. So any smallest of achievement must be recognized, must be celebrated. And these celebrations, the recognitions of a team member has to be in front of many people, because then he gets more boosting. He will go and do better and better. He will give his best always. So this is another strategy, the fifth strategy, which is very, very important for project manager. For such important, information, please visit my website, where I create a lot of blogs, www.ajazkazi.com. And for videos of such a related topic, please visit my channel. It's Ajaz Kazi, and the link is there in front of you. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and